Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about find the solution of x. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that we need to find about the domain in here. So this is about natural law. So 2x minus 1 should be greater than number 0. So I will put number 1 go to the right. And later that we divide both sides by number 2. So x should be greater than 1 over 2. Now I will put number 1 go to the right. And we have negative number 1. 14 minus 1 we have 13. Later that we divide both sides by negative a. Next, I will put e for the both sides. So we have the formula in here. E to the power of ln a. You will have about capital A in here. So capital A represent about this one. So for this one, we will have about 2x minus 1 over number 7. Now I will multiply both sides by number 7 in here. Next, I will put negative number 1 go to the right. And later that we divide both sides by number 2. And we know that this one approximates about 1.189. And this number in here is greater than 1 over 2. So we can accept about this solution. This is the end. Thank you for watching.